how to fix this common issue on your X app if you are scrolling through and you want to comment on the X post, but you cannot because this is actually going to take you to either another video or you double click and view. Let me show you guys what I mean. So here is actually how to fix it. So now let's go to the top. Let's look for any video. Just from any video, you can navigate from there. There is no actual place. Okay, like this video, right? So you click on the video. Now this video is playing. You swipe and then another video is playing. Now, how about if you want to go to the comment section? Normally, if you double click, it brings you to the profile. And if you go to the profile, you might not see the video. So the best thing to do, or rather the way to go about it, click on the title of the video, which is this one. You double click and then it takes you to the comment section. Here is actually how to get to the comment section of a video you are watching. Because this actually happens oftentimes, even for me. Whenever I keep scrolling, and I want to comment, or rather I want to read the comment, and then
God is working.
here, and then I notice that it's not displaying. So that is actually an issue. So when you scroll down, you can read the comment and everything. So I want to share with you how this actually works. So I hope it fixes it. See you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.